Popular names from the culinary fraternity came together to celebrate the Middle East Chef Excellence Awards organized by Hospitality Group along with ZTV and others. These awards give chefs a chance to showcase their talent and maximize their potential in the hospitality sector. Let's take a look. Like to start by saying hats off for pulling this event. So it's great to be back here and recognizing talents in the hospitality industry. It's a great platform for them, and you have also introduced something called the Young Chef this time.
Basically, the award is twofold. One is for the Young Chefs of the Year, so we do cook-offs, we do semi-finals, we do final, and then the Young Chef is chosen by the Emirates Culinary Guild, which is our partner, and the Popular Choice Awards, which we are known for. So obviously it's, and especially when you recognize the chefs who are not even 28 years old, they basically most of them are commis or demi-chef de parties, and then it feels amazing, and they share all that. So it's been wonderful 4 years, and the other award is 7 years. So this year was really a challenge. Last year we had to do it online, but this year we said COVID cannot stop. So we did, and we have the ballroom is full.
What has been different this year?
Oh, everything is different. Things are strange times, everything is different. Last year we couldn't do anything at all. We have a passion doing it, and there are partners who are supporting us.
It's wonderful. It's wonderful to see you guys back in the game.
Thank you.
It's lovely being here as always. Thank you so much, Raj.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi Adil.
Hey Priya.
Very nice meeting you once again. So Adil, tell us more about your association with the Hospitality Awards.
Well, Raj has been a very good friend of ours for many years, even before we got into the hospitality sector. And I must say that he has done a fantastic job with this whole venture of his hospitality. And every year his event gets bigger and better. And I must commend him because he's created a very beautiful, close-knit community. And I think what he's doing is beautiful because he's recognizing these chefs. And these are the guys who make us happy with our food. And Danube, we entered into the hospitality industry. So we're proud sponsors and we're very happy to collaborate with Raj. And we look forward to many more collaborations in the future as well.
Great. Thank you so much,
Thank you, Priya.
Chef Uwe, welcome to Z Connect.
Thank you.
Sir, being so senior in the industry, looking at all these chefs here being recognized for their talents and for their work, what do you feel about this kind of an awards show?
Actually, I feel good. It's not only I feel good, the chefs all feel good. So, when you're almost a year locked up and you couldn't go out, you couldn't meet together, and then you have all the guys together in one place, is great. And as you said, the event is very, very successful, and super show from the young chefs. The guys, the way the guys worked, what they produced tonight was just amazing.
There was a live cook-off that took place, and there were some young chefs who were part of it.
Most of the competitions for the Hospitality Awards are either Popular Awards or Judges' Choice Awards. The only competition, the only award which people have to really work hard for it on the day, it's for the young chefs. Actually, it started a few months ago when they had to send in recipes and pictures of their dishes. Then the best 18 were selected. Then 10 days ago, the best 18 were cooking in the semi-final in ICSA school, in the school in Knowledge Park. And the best 5 cook today.
Chef Uwe, what is that one tip you would like to give out to young chefs or those who are aspiring, whose passion is cooking out there?
The main thing is keep learning, never give up. Money in the pocket, people can take off you.
Yeah.
Knowledge in your head, nobody can take off you.
Absolutely.
So that's why the best is always keep learning, keep learning.
Great, thank you so much for talking to us, Chef Uwe.
Thank you.
Chef Sanish, congratulations.
Thank you.
Very well deserved, being the culinary leader of the year 2021.
Thanks a lot.
Did it come as a surprise?
Definitely, it was a surprise and feels really, excited. And I would say this award goes to the entire team, the entire culinary team at the Oberoi Dubai, and they are the one who made it happen. and a big applause to them, and it goes to them. And definitely all the judges and the hospitality team for this wonderful award.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and thanks for the lovely evening.
Wish you the best always.
Thank you.
That brings us to the end of this episode, but I look forward to receiving your feedback on our social media handles mentioned below. Do take good care of yourselves and keep watching Zee Connect. Take care. I'll see you soon.